In this video, I will be showing you how to erase part of an image in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the Templates section and select Instagram post. I'm going to browse through these designs to find the perfect one for my project. There are plenty of great options, but I'll keep scrolling until I find a clean, minimalist layout. Here's a nice matcha-themed template. I'll click on it to see the preview, and then I'll select Customize this template. This opens the design in a new tab where I can start editing. Once everything loads, I'll click on the main photo to select it. From the top menu, I'll click Edit Image to bring up my editing options on the left. I'm going to select Magic Eraser from the Magic Studio panel. Now I'll use the click tool to paint over the small amount of matcha powder next to wooden spoon that I want to remove from the shot. I'll make sure to highlight the entire object clearly. Once I'm done, I'll hit Erase. We'll give the tool a few seconds to work its magic and blend the background. As you can see, the matcha powder next to the spoon has been completely removed, leaving the image looking natural and clean. Now my edit is complete and I'm ready to use this professional-looking graphic for my post.